So what I'm doing today is folding handbrake. So we'll see how that goes. Spin you around. So apparently it's not that hard. There's a clip under there, clip on the back, take your covers off, and yeah, showing a bit. Big up, longer is massive. So that's covers off, I'll show you. By the look of it, it looks like it's only 2 bolts now. And then, yeah, I'll turn you around. Covers are off. Looks like them 2 bolts there. And then clamp or bolt on after that, and then you'll bolt that back to clamp. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Take the handbrake off there, that bolts on with them bolts, and then your handbrake's going to bolt onto them bolts there, and therefore them there are for your plastic. So your plastic clips on them bolts, and you see that bolt stuck out there, so that's what they're for. So your plastic clips back on. So I'll take that off, I'll show you. Yes, now? So you do have to wiggle your handbrake quite a bit to get it off it, but once you get it off at bolts, you've got quite a bit of cable. Get it off at bolts and then put your clamp on there. Show you what I mean. So I've got clamp on. I'll show you what I mean. So your plastics used to push onto that and then onto that, your plastic bits. Now it's going to push onto that and that. So it's quite simple. It's only 2 13mm bolts. 2 13mm. You use the original handbrake ones for bottom, and then you've got 2 more that they send you with the kit for top ones. So it's quite easy enough if you know if you know how to use a ratchet and what have you. It's not hard. Big up, Young is massive. So that's it on. Switch you around. That's it. Handbrake works. And folds away, look. Boom, just like that. And handbrake's on. You just got to put plastic bits back on, and then I'll show you that. So I had them 2 clips wrong way around, I'll show you. Them 2. I had them spun round other way, so they were in that. But yeah, that's not. Show you when it's all back together. So that's it. Done. 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes maybe. Yes, no. Handbrake's on. Fold away. Need to lay it off a little bit. Sit in me. Boom. I need to do swivel on that suit now. Yes, now big up jungle is massive. So yes, now I'm doing FASP, is that how you say it? FASP. Swivel seat on driver's side now, so spin you around and show you that. So I've got seat out, it's only 4 bolts, slide it forward, 2 off, slide it backwards, 2 off, and then same with this, and then bolt seat back on. There's not too much to that, to be fair. So yes now, that's handbrake done, both swivel seats done now. Turn you around, dead easy to do, 4 bolts, take seat off, bolt it on, bolt seat back onto thingy. Oh yes now, big up Jungle is massive. The only thing I'm not happy about FASP is you've got to drill some holes in your swivel base, because you see it's got like locators on bottom of it, so they haven't put them holes in, you've got to drill them in. I've had to do it to them both now, but yeah, that's them both done anyway. Big up Jungle is massive. Yes, no.